Log into your Nexudus account, choose Inventory, click on Plans. Here you can choose the plan you wish to use. If you go back and click on Passes, you can choose the type of pass you want to use with your Kisi integration. If you click on Settings and on Integrations, you can find the Kisi integration. On this screen you can enable the integration with the API token created earlier. Just copy the token and click Verify. On the same screen you can choose which pass you want to use. Now it is set up.